Assalamualaikum to everyone. Hope you all will be good. This is your SST class, and I am telling you once again that we have two books for SST. This is your textbook, means when we have to read any unit, so you have to take out this book, and if we have to do any working about any chapter, so we have to take out this book. This is called skills book. Okay, students. Now today we are going to start a new unit. This is unit number 3 and the name of this unit is 8 School. Wow, it's about 8 School. So what we will read in this unit, I am just telling you that we will read these all pages, page number 10, 11, 12 and 13. On page number 10 we will read about Rafi's classroom, and on page number 11 we will read about right and left. On page number 12, we will read about playtime, and on page number 13, we will read about right and wrong. As well as you have to complete your skills book pages. So which pages you will complete? You will complete page number 10. On page number 10, you have to complete exercise A and B. On page number 12, you have to complete exercise A and B. On page number 13, you have to also complete exercise A and B. And for copywork, you have to complete your copywork from your homework folder. And then you have to complete your copywork about this one. So let's start the reading. First, you have to take out this book and open page number. You have to take out this book and open page number 10. This is page number 10. Unit number 3, 8 School. Okay students, now we are going to start this unit. First topic is Rafi's classroom. Look at here that here is one boy. Who is he? He is Rafi, and he has a bag. On his bag there is one boy. His name is Ivy. In previous class we have read about Ivy. Okay students, so let's start the reading. Rafi takes Ivy to school. He is Ivy and he is Rafi. His books are in the bag. His pencil case is in the bag. Means this is Rafi's bag, and all things of Rafi's books, copies and pencil case in his bag. Look, Ivy, he was talking to Ivy. I have told you in previous class that Ivy, he talks to Rafi, but no one knows about it that Ivy can talk. Look, Ivy, whispers Rafi. Whispers means to speak very quietly. That is my classroom. Rafi is happy and he is telling to Ivy that is my classroom. Rafi goes into the classroom. He sits next to his friend Umar. Umar is Rafi's friend. So, Rafi is also sit with Umar. Ivy sits on the chair with Rafi. Ivy draws a plan of the table in Rafi's book. That's good, whispered Rafi. Ivy was continuously talking to Rafi, but no one can hear that Ivy is talking with Rafi. Now look at here that here is one table. Okay, this is table, and there are some things which you can use in your school. Now which things are there? I am just telling you. This is table. Table name is mentioned here, Table. Table. This is table. What is this? This is pencil. 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 Read with teacher, then you can read it easily. Now what are these? These both are pencil cases. You can use this type of pencil case and you can also use this. So these both are pencil cases. Pencil. Pencil. S-E-S. Pencil cases. You can keep your pencil, eraser, sharpener, everything you can keep in this pencil case. Now what are these? These are books. These are books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Now what is this? This is pencil. One pencil is here and one more pencil is here. We have read it here. This is also pencil. And what is this? This is rubber. You can also say it eraser. We use it for erasing. R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. Now count the tables and chairs in your classroom. When you will come to school, then you can do this activity. Okay, students? Now come to page number 11. This is page number 11, and on this page we will read about right and left. Look at this picture. This picture is about a classroom, and you can see that here is one teacher and there are many students. Okay, students? She is teacher. These all are students. Now look at here carefully. What is this? This is a door. This is Rafi's classroom. This is Rafi's classroom. And here is one map of this classroom. So we have to look it carefully. This is a door. This is a fan. Here are some pictures on the softboard. You can say that there is a softboard. This is a whiteboard. Here are some books in shelf. This is a table. These are chairs. Now look at here that teacher is standing here, and teacher, she has a book. This hand is right hand. Okay, means this is the right hand of teacher and this is the left hand of teacher. So we are learning about right and left, means which things we can see on the right side and which things we can see on the left side. Now this is a map of Rafi's classroom. Pictures, where are the pictures? Here are pictures. But first we will enter from the door. So this is a door. Look at here, here is a door. Yes. Now we have in the classroom child. We are talking about only one child, that's why it's mentioned here child. And these all are children. There are pictures. Look at here. Here are some pictures. Board. We are talking about this board. This is a whiteboard. Here are some books. Books are in shelf. There is a table. This is a table. There is a teacher. There is a teacher. She is here. She is standing near the table. Now where is the window? Look at here. There are two windows. So we are just read here that this is window. Now these all things, door, pictures and board. Board is in center. Pictures and door are left side. But books and windows, these are on right side. Ivy draws a plan of the classroom in Rafi's board. That's good, whispers Rafi. Now continuously Ivy was talking to Rafi. Here is one exercise. First we will complete it, then we will start new topic. So take out your pencil. Complete the sentences about the classroom. We read about the left and right side. So we have to complete these blanks by using the word of left and right. The window is to the dash of the teacher. Teacher is standing here. So where is the window? Left side or right side? Left side. It's written, but I am telling you the spell of left. L-E-F-T. Left. Second, the door is to the dash of the teacher. Where is the door? Right side. It's right side. So we will write right spell here. R I G H T. Right. Third, the books are to the dash of the teacher. Where are the books? Here are the books. And which side is it? Left side. So I am telling you the spell of left. L E F T. Left. Do your work neat and clean. Fourth, the pictures are to the dash of the teacher. Where are the pictures? Here. And this is right side. So we will write the spell of right. R I G H T. Right. Number 1, left. Second, right. Third, left. And fourth, right. Now come to page number 12. This is page number 12. This is page number 12. And the topic is playtime. Wow. We all like it. It's playtime. Look at this picture. Here is Rafe and here is one more boy. But who is he? We don't know. So first we have to read it, then we can know that who is he. It is playtime. Look, Ivy, says Rafe. Rafe is telling to Ivy that it's playtime. This is the playground. Wow. Do you also play in playground? So Rafe is telling to Ivy that this is playground. Rafe, says Umar. Now the second boy is Umar. Who is he? Let's see. Why are you talking to our bag? Who is asking? Umar is asking to Rafe that why are you talking to our bag? Rafe is angry and shouts, he is not a bag. Umar takes Ivy from Rafe. Give him back, shouts Rafe. No, shouts Umar. It is a bag. Rafe pushes Umar. He takes Ivy from Umar. Umar pushes Rafe. They are both angry. Okay, students, what do you think? They both are doing good things or wrong? They are doing wrong things. They both are fighting. They both are shouting. It's not a good thing. Now come to page number 30. This is page number 30. And the topic is right and wrong. They both are fighting. They both are angry. So let's see that what will be happening. Stop fighting, Rafe, says Ivy. Now Ivy is saying to Rafe that stop fighting. Umar is your friend. Ivy is telling to Rafe that Umar is your friend. Rafe stops fighting. He looks at Umar. Umar is crying. Look at here, Umar is crying. Oh no, Rafe is fighting with Umar. That's why Umar is crying. Sorry Umar, he says. Who says? Rafe says. I was wrong to push you. Sorry Rafe, says Umar. Now they both realize that they both were doing wrong thing. That's why they both said to everyone, sorry, I was wrong to take your bag. But why do you talk to it? Now Umar is asking to Rafe that why are you talking to your bag? He is my friend, said Rafe. His name is Ivy. Whose name? His name is Ivy. He is Ivy. Hi Ivy, says Umar. Now there are three friends, Umar, Rafe and Ivy. Okay students, on page number 13 there is one exercise. So you have to complete it to the school puzzles. Here is one puzzle. I am reading this line, then you have to complete it. Number 1, you rub out with this. Which thing we use for erasing or for rubbing? Rubber. Yes, I have told you here that this is rubber. So we will write here. R is written here. Now I am telling you spell of rubber. You will write U B B E R. This is rubber. Now second, you write with this. Which thing we use for writing? This thing, and this is a pencil. So we will write the spell of pencil. Write with teacher. P E N C, I is written, so you will write just L. This is pencil. Are you writing with teacher? Very good. Now number third, you play in this place. Where do we play? In playground. Very good. So we will write playground. Start from P. P, L, A, Y. Play. G is written, so that's why we will complete the spell of ground. R, O, U, N, D. Playground. Now number 4, you sit on this. Where do you sit? On chair. So we will start from C. C, H is written. We will not write H here. A, I, R. Chair. Last, you put books on this. Where do you put your books? On table. T is written, so we will complete the spell of table. We will start from A. A, B, L, E. Table. Now once again I am telling you that the first is rubber. Second, pencil. Third, playground. Fourth, chair. And the last is table. Okay student, you will complete page number 13 and page number 11. This working. Now what we will do, this is done. Now take out your SST skills book. This is your SST skill book. This is your SST skills book. Now open page number 10. This is page number 10. Okay student, what will you do here? Here you will fill the color. Colors are mentioned here. Now what will you do, that you will fill color here. That means there are different things. So first you will look from here that which color you have to fill. Then you will fill the color. And here is a map of this table. Exercise B. So you will do it. You will just copy it from here. This is pencil, table, pencil case, pencil, rubber and books. I am just showing. You will complete it. Okay. Now come to page number 11. Sorry, page number 12. We will do page number 12. We will not complete page number 11. This is page number 12. On this page, we will complete exercise A and exercise B. This is a playground. Here are some things. You can see here balls, gate, seesaw, tree, climbing frame, grass and tree. So we have to complete these all things. That what are these? This is tree. So you will write here T. The second is dash ATE, and which spelling is it? Gate. You will write here just G. Third, this spelling is, we can see here, seesaw. You will write here S. Fourth, what are these? Balls. So you will write here B. This is climbing frame, and you will write, this is climbing frame, and you will write here C. And last, we are talking about this thing, it's grass. So you will write here G. Do it carefully. Now come to exercise B. Complete the sentences. In my playground there are, Rafi is telling us, that's why we have to complete it according to Rafi's playground. So what are these here? We have to complete it. There are trees. There are 2 trees. That's why we will write here trees. We will write S with spell of tree. These are trees. Seesaw, grass and balls. Okay student, and one more thing, you will fill color here, and it should be neat and clean. Write on lines, and one more thing that you can write here, small letters. Now come to page number 13. This is the last page, and here we will also complete exercise A and exercise B. It's about right and wrong. Complete the sentences. We have two words, should and should not. I think Rafe dash fight for IB. Rafe dash fight for IB. Rafe should fight for IB or Rafe should not fight for IB. Fighting is not a good thing, so that's why we should not. We will write here should not. Spelling is given here. We will copy from here. Second, I think Rafe dash say sorry. If we have done any wrong thing, if we have done any mistake, so we should say sorry. We will write here should. We should say sorry. We will copy from here. Now exercise B is tick what is right, cross what is wrong. Help people. We should help people or not. We should help people. So you will show here tick. Stop people fighting. Take things from people without asking. No, that's wrong. Cross. Fight people. No, don't fight. Cross. Tidy room. Yes, we should keep our room tidy. Now you will complete this page number 13, page number 12 and page number 10. Okay students, now I have told you, you will read this unit one more time and you will complete these all pages. Have a very good care of yourself. Allah